Hello and welcome to SmartSuite onboarding series. My name is Artem, I am a product manager at SmartSuite. In this episode we'll talk about SmartSuite dashboards, and here are the topics we're going to cover. We'll define what a dashboard is, talk about different widget types, look at dashboard settings, and then see how a dashboard can be shared. A dashboard is a unique view type, and it is unique for several reasons. The most important thing is that it can pull data from different sources, tables, and even solutions and display this data on the same page. This ability makes dashboards a perfect tool for consolidating data that is spread across the workspace. A second unique thing is that dashboards can combine data-driven widgets based on records and fields and visuals like banners or spacers. This makes the entire thing look like a professionally designed web page rather than a bunch of stacked tables. You can create a dashboard by clicking the plus button at the bottom left corner and selecting Dashboard as a view type. Essentially, Dashboard is a collection of widgets that are placed on the canvas. SmartSuite offers an impressive library of widget types to choose from, and for the ease of navigation, they are grouped into categories. We will not be able to go into details for each and every widget type, but let me highlight just a few of them. All sorts of banners, spacers, dividers help structure and organize the layout of the page. Metrics and charts are great for summarizing and analyzing complex datasets, perfect for displaying KPIs, tracking progress, comparing targets and actuals. Record Selector helps you narrow down the context of your dashboard to a specific record. It always works in combination with other widgets like Record Details or Filter. Finally, the main SmartSuite views, Grid, Cards, Calendar, Gantt, are also available as widget types. All these different widget types have several things in common. They can be freely positioned, moved, and resized on the canvas. Every widget has the edit mode where you can change its settings, but of course, every type will have its specific configuration. Let's explore the dashboard settings menu. The Style tab lets you define the preferred width of the dashboard. This is to make sure it looks great on any screen resolution. Here you may also define the background color. The Navigation tab lets you do several things. First of all, you can enable and manage tabs, and every tab can have its own set of widgets. You can upload and change a logo, add and configure various action buttons. A footer, if it's enabled, can serve as a source of links and other useful information. Dashboards can be shared externally. Anyone with a shared link can access the dashboard in read-only mode without logging to SmartSuite. When shared, the dashboard will preserve its entire layout with tabs, widgets, and buttons. But we will cover the entire sharing process more in details in a separate episode. This concludes the introduction to SmartSuite dashboards. You are all set to start building your own beautiful thing. Just be sure to try out different widget types and play with various layout options. And I will see you in the next one.